What's up, family? Welcome back to the next video where we're about to break down the 3 secrets of how you can break down and turn leads into conversions. So let's get into it right now. All right, family. So basically the 3 secrets that are used by top business coaches to convert leads into dollars just by using sales funnels. And like I said, these are these foolproof strategies that I'm going to be showing you to go from overworked to automated. Most people think that sales funnels are just for people that sell courses, and this is absolutely wrong, guys. Sales funnels are for anybody, businesses, individuals who are looking to increase conversions and revenue from their leads just by using sales funnels for their online marketing. So some of you may be saying, well, I already have a website. Do I need a sales funnel? Like I said earlier, your website is good for credibility, but in today's masterclass, what I'm going to show you is the secrets of how your current website is losing you sales every single day. So who is this training for? If you do an e-commerce business that sells physical or digital products, you can use a sales funnel. If you have a service-based business, such as a consultant or a course, or maybe you're an online course creator, you know you need a sales funnel. And then if you're a business-to-business company like myself and you sell products and services to other business, nonprofit, you need donation, you need volunteers. All of these things are what sales funnels are good for. Bloggers, contents who need to monetize through affiliate marketing, you all need a sales funnel. So guys, don't think sales funnels are just for course creators and salesy people. Anyone who needs leads, such as app developers, software developers, people who need people to sign up for free trials, whatever it may be, freelancers, solopreneurs, if you need leads, I promise you the sales funnel is exactly what you have been missing. So like I said, anyone that needs leads. So my name is Tony Smith, guys. You know, I'm the owner of bizlaunch.io. Most people know me for e-commerce. I crushed it when I did e-commerce. You know, I did have ups and downs, but I had 100K months. I graduated from the University of Tennessee, started with a graphic design background, and this is all going to make sense while I'm telling you this in a while. I was doing party flyers. Then I did graphic design for small businesses. And guys, when I say I've been doing this for a long time, I've been doing this for a long time, since I was a kid. After that, I took those skills, put them into t-shirts, won business plan competitions at college, and then opened up my first business, which was a small t-shirt shop that I eventually was able to scale using these same exact secrets that I'm going to be teaching you guys today. I scaled up to 2,500 square feet, and this is when we were a branding agency and doing t-shirts, and this is how those skills started to come together. So you're probably like, Tony, how does this all make sense? But stay tuned. So I first started in graphic design, and then I moved to web design. I was doing the basic WordPress websites, doing what, you know, most of you guys may have right now. And you're like, I got this website. And as I can already see, these websites have so many links that create choice overload to where, how do I know what to do? You know, and in my education, I was able to give back and teach others my skill set, which is really what I'm proud about. Why I'm able to teach you guys today, because I've been doing that for a long time as well. But in my Shopify business, you see that it was pretty successful, right? We did like about 600,000 to 700,000, depending on the year in that. Use these same secrets that I'm teaching you guys to scale into online stores and then into brick and mortar stores. And then I even took those exact same skills, guys, and opened up an event space. And most of you guys have a business. So that's why I'm showing you guys this experience, because when you have a business, you need leads. Using these same secrets, it helped me book all of these types of businesses that I did and still have to get leads. And that's what I want to show you guys today. And with my event space business, you see I became a powerhouse, to so much to where I had hundreds of people in the streets, and I got shut down because I had too many people coming to my event space. So once I got shut down, do you think I let my business stop? No, I opened up another event space because I understood the lead secrets that I'm about to teach you guys today in this lesson, in this free training of how you can get leads and scale your business up. And as we see, as soon as I opened that business up, I was in the top event space for my city. And I upgraded that event space to another one that was also booked and busy, looked beautiful. And you may be saying, Tony, how did you have the energy to do this? And the reason why was because I understood the 3 secrets of how to get leads, to get people in the door so that I can maintain and run my business. And that's what I want to do with you guys today. In those businesses, I was able to serve top online celebrities, especially here in my local city, like Ari Fletcher, Rashida Frost, De'Ara Taylor. All of these people were booking out my businesses, my event space, and shopping with me because they were finding me by the way that we use sales funnels, ads to use to get leads and convert those into dollars. So even though that wasn't specifically about sales funnels, I wanted to show you that. So you're like, okay, break it down to me. What exactly does this have to do with sales funnels, Tony? So if you're an entrepreneur, a business owner, a coach or consultant, just like me, I had 3 businesses that all hit the same wall. I needed more leads and I needed more sales. So my question to you is, as you're watching this, would more leads and sales help your business today? If that could do that, let me know. And of course, you could leave a comment, but let me know if that would help out your business. So how did it start for me? I started studying and really gaining the psychology after watching this video of this amazing person right here named Russell Brunson, who is really the godfather of this sales funnel stuff. I started reading .com secrets. I started indulging in his content to where before I even really understood a sales funnel, I started mapping out sales funnels and trying to figure out how did this flow? How did the lead go from the top of funnel to the middle of funnel to the bottom of funnel? My first funnel was terrible, but it was something. It got me leads. And as you can see, this was in 2020. It was a terrible funnel, but it worked. I was able to do $48,000 with the ebook called the T-shirt game back in 2020, guys, 2020 to 2021. So I'm showing you sales funnels work. And after I saw that they work, I had to learn more. I read all of Russell's books. I took notes. I learned that funnels aren't just for digital products. They're for SaaS businesses. They're for membership communities. They're for courses and ebooks. They're for webinars and events. They're for leads for business services, cleaning services, whatever your business needs. If it's a service, you need a sales funnel. I'm trying to tell you guys, if you're an author, you need a sales funnel to sell your book to where you can upsell and downsell. So I was mind blown that all these top YouTube mentors that I had seen, that they were using sales funnels. No wonder they were so successful. Alex Hormozy, you guys seen this guy before. Grant Cardone, billionaire with real estate. Ty Lopez, they all use sales funnels. These simple pages that lead you through a customer journey that have one button that says take action to do this. And that's what I'm trying to tell you guys today. Tony Robbins, when he dropped his book, one button on a funnel to sell his book and become a New York Times bestseller. Myron Golden, look at that plaque in the background. What do you see? ClickFunnels plaque, guys. So let me ask you a question. Does 10x in your revenue with a sales funnel sound even interesting to you right now? If it does, just let me know. Screenshot this, comment me, tag me on Instagram, let me know. So right now what's going on is there's a gap. This is where you are right here on the left, and the right is where you want to be. But you're like, how do I get over there? I've got my business. I'm building my business every single day, Tony. I'm working hard. I'm taking care of my family. But these are the things that I want. I want vacation. I want leisure. I want time. But how do I get there, Tony? I'm scared if I make that leap. I have a family. I have people depending on me. I have payroll. I have a team. So the way that you get there is you need a bridge, and that bridge is that sales funnel that's going to get leads that you can capture them. You can have a sales process. You're nurturing them through email. Then you're ordering, upselling after they order. All of these companies do upsells and downsells except for us. Why? But this is how you take a website visitor and turn them into a client. So if you need more sales and leads, a funnel is your most efficient tool to get there, guys. I promise you that. So what type of businesses need funnels? I've told you this countless times, but small business owners, coaches and consultants, entrepreneurs, these are all the types of businesses that can use a sales funnel to grow. So a sales funnel is a tool to help existing businesses grow faster, 10 times faster. So do you guys remember, I don't know how old you are, but when Apple first came out, they had their phone and they're like, there's an app for that. But that's kind of how I feel with the funnel. Anything that you need, there's a funnel for it. Whether you're doing challenges, webinars, VSLs, whatever, you need a funnel. Whether you're a fitness-based business, this is one we did for a fitness coach. We gave away a free meal plan that led to a low-ticket tripwire selling a cookbook for $27 that then upsell them to buy her 8-week Body Goals Challenge Bootcamp. This works exceptionally well for realtors because your whole business is based off a relationship. So we gave away a free ebook hitting the pain points of what people are scared about when buying a home, how to get approved. So then what we did was after that, we went to a VSL where there's a video of the coach and client explaining what they do and then asking them to book a call, but then also selling a little bit of information that somebody who's buying a house could use, such as listings, leads, whatever. All of the things can happen. Webinars right here. Oh, but then it led to a book a call, because once you go to a book a call, you know that the deal is sold with being a realtor, because the relationship is made. This is exceptionally great for webinars. This is the webinar with Justin and Ellie that we use called Mission Black Friday that did over 400 something thousand. So after a lead registered, it goes to a low ticket upsell product, then a downsell product that then leads after the webinar to the sales page where they crushed it and really went to the next level. So as we're about to get into, we're going to break down 3 secrets, guys. Secret number 1, how funnels outperform and outlast human capabilities, creating a tireless revenue generating machine. Your sales funnel doesn't get tired. It doesn't go to sleep. It keeps working. Secret number 2, how to escape the website trap. Discover how funnels supercharge your business growth and leave your stale website in the rear view. Secret number 3, how to turbocharge your revenue by unleashing the power of upsells and downsells, strategies that propel your profits potential by 10x, guys. So which one are you most excited about? Is it 1? Is it secret 2? Is it secret number 3? Literally let me know. Send me comments on Instagram at TunedInTony and let me know in the comments below if I even have the comment section open. So these 3 secrets, guys, are how my clients grew their business so fast, just like this one, 1.5 million, this one, 1.7 million, this one, 8.9 million. And before we get in those secrets, I love analogies. This is your business right here. This is what you don't want to happen to your business. You're building your business every day to build a solid foundation. And then as a business owner, people are seeing you. But what happened is you accidentally built your business on sand because you weren't collecting your emails. You weren't building a list. You were relying solely on paid Facebook advertising to sell your products. And it was going good for you. You're selling products, stuff's going out the door, you're making money. But guess what? Your ads fatigue. Facebook ad cost goes up. Now your business is becoming less profitable. And guess what? Now you have no ads running, so you don't have a business. You're feeling down and bad. What am I going to do? So you try other means of advertising, from TikTok to Google ads. And then next thing that you know, no one even knows who you are anymore because they're not seeing your ads anymore. And that's why your business was built on sand. So what you need is a magnetic marketing funnel so that you can own your leads, own your traffic, and get to the next level. Companies that we shop with every day do this. Just with Chick-fil-A, they tell you to download their app. They now have your phone number, name, and email. They send you promotionals to let you know that they have a deal or a sale. You run to Chick-fil-A to get that chicken sandwich because they attracted you. They didn't chase the lead. They attracted you. And then they even upsold you on the fries and the drink. So by the end of this training, I want to be able to change your business forever. So we're about to, in the next video, get into secret number 1, secret number 2, and secret number 3. But we'll be starting out with secret number 1. And I will see you guys in the next video. I hope this is gems and games in this training that you guys are getting right now. Definitely screenshot this. Leave me comments on Instagram at TunedInTony. And I'll see you guys in the next video.